Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AI brochure using Venngage. This is a great tool if you need professional designs quickly without starting from scratch. First, go to venngage.com. On the homepage, you'll notice several design categories like infographics, social media posts, proposals, and more. Since we're making a brochure, let's click on design and then select brochure. Now you'll see a prompt where you can describe the type of brochure you want. For example, I'll create one for a fundraising event to support dogs and cats. You can type in your own topic here, then click Generate Design. At this point, Venngage may ask you to log in. If you already have an account, just sign in. Otherwise, you can create a free account using your email or Google login. Once logged in, the AI will generate your brochure within a few seconds. If you don't like the first result, simply click Retry to see another option. When you're ready, click Customize to edit your design in the Venngage editor. The editor makes it easy to update your design. On the right, you'll see your brochure pages. On the left, you'll find tools like Brand Kit, AI content autofill, text improvements, and more. You can improve your brochure copy instantly with AI. Just select a text box, then click Improve Text. For example, you can make the tone more welcoming or professional with one click. Don't like the default images? You can generate new ones with AI. Just click Generate Image and type in what you want, like a dog and cat illustration. The image appears instantly and can be swapped into your design. Venngage also lets you generate icons. For example, type dog and it will give you several icon options. You can also drag and drop shapes, QR codes, checklists, or even GIFs right onto your design. When you're done editing, click Preview in the top right to see your brochure in full view. You can share it with teammates, export as a PDF, or even embed it on your website. And that's how you create an AI brochure in Venngage. It's quick, flexible, and saves you hours of design work. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.